Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add a video on Canva presentation. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open your preferred web browser on your PC and navigate to the Canva website. If you haven't already, sign into your Canva account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Canva dashboard. Here, you can either open an existing project by clicking on it or start a new one by selecting a template from the homepage. Now, let's add a video to your presentation. To do this, we'll need to access the YouTube app. If you don't have the app installed, you can navigate to the Apps section from the left side menu and search for it. Once you've opened the YouTube app, use the search bar to find the video you want to add to your Canva presentation. After you find it, click on the video to open it. Next, the video will appear on your canvas, and you can resize and reposition it as needed by clicking and dragging the corners of the video frame. So that's basically how you can add a video on Canva presentation. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.